Xalix film-forming solution extended release, with applicator is a medication used on the skin to treat common skin and foot, plantar, warts. It contains salicylic acid, which helps the wart to gradually peel off. This medication is also used to help remove corns and calluses. It should not be used on the face or on moles, birthmarks, warts with hair growing from them, or genital/anal warts. Salicylic acid works by increasing the amount of moisture in the skin and dissolving the substance that causes the skin cells to stick together, making it easier to shed the skin cells. Warts are caused by a virus, and salicylic acid does not affect the virus. It is recommended to use this medication as directed by a healthcare professional. Make sure to follow the instructions on the product package. This medication is only for use on the skin. Avoid getting it in your eyes, nose, mouth, groin, or on any broken skin. If this happens, rinse the area with cool water for 15 minutes and wash your hands after use. If using a liquid or gel, apply a few drops or a thin coat to cover the affected area using the applicator if provided. Let it dry for 5 minutes and you may cover the area with a bandage. Repeat this process 1 to 2 times daily for up to 2 weeks for corns and calluses, and up to 12 weeks for warts or as directed by your doctor. If using a medicated pad or bandage, cut the pad to cover the treatment area completely but not touch the surrounding skin. Leave it in place according to package directions and replace it as directed, usually every 8 to 48 hours depending on the brand. The dosage depends on your medical condition, product type/brand, and response to treatment. Use this medication regularly at the same time each day to get the most benefit from it. If your condition lasts or gets worse, or if you think you may have a serious medical problem, seek medical help right away. It's common to experience slight burning, redness, and peeling when using Xalix film-forming solution extended release, with applicator. If these effects worsen, be sure to consult your doctor or pharmacist. Your doctor has likely determined that the benefits of this medication outweigh the potential side effects. Most people using this medication do not experience serious side effects. However, it's important to notify your doctor if you notice spreading redness around the treated area, signs of infection, or the formation of a deep sore at the treatment site. While rare, a serious allergic reaction to this drug is possible. Seek immediate medical attention if you experience symptoms such as rash, swelling, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing. This is not a complete list of possible side effects, so be sure to contact your doctor or pharmacist if you experience any other effects. As always, if you have any concerns about side effects, consult your doctor for medical advice. Before using Xalix film-forming solution extended release, with applicator, make sure to inform your doctor or pharmacist if you have any allergies to salicylic acid, nonsteroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, NSAIDs, or any other allergies. This product may contain inactive ingredients that can cause allergic reactions or other issues, so it's important to discuss this with your pharmacist. Additionally, before using this medication, it's important to inform your doctor or pharmacist about your medical history, especially if you have diabetes, poor blood circulation, or any skin infection/irritation. If you are going to have an MRI test, it's crucial to inform the testing personnel if you are using the patch, as some patches may contain metals that can cause serious burns during an MRI. It's important to ask your doctor whether you will need to remove your patch before the test and apply a new patch afterward, and how to do so properly. During pregnancy, Xalix film-forming solution extended release, with applicator should only be used when clearly needed, and it's important to discuss the risks and benefits with your doctor. It is also unknown if this drug passes into breast milk, so consulting your doctor before breastfeeding is recommended. It's important to be aware of potential drug interactions when using Xalix film-forming solution extended release, with applicator, as it may affect how your other medications work or increase your risk for serious side effects. Make sure to keep a list of all the products you use, including prescription/non-prescription drugs and herbal products, and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. Do not start, stop, or change the dosage of any medicines without your doctor's approval. This will help ensure the safe and effective use of Xalix film-forming solution extended release, with applicator. If this medication is swallowed, it can be harmful and may cause serious symptoms such as passing out or trouble breathing. In case of overdose, it's important to seek immediate medical help by calling 911 or contacting a poison control center. In the U.S., residents can call their local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222, while Canada residents can reach out to a provincial poison control center. If your doctor has prescribed Xalix film-forming solution extended release, with Applicator for you, do not share it with others. If you forget to take a dose, take it as soon as you remember. If it's close to the time for your next dose, then just skip the missed dose and take the next one at your regular time. Don't take a double dose to make up for the missed one. When storing Xalix film-forming solution extended release, with Applicator, make sure to keep it at room temperature. Be sure to check the product package for specific storage instructions for your brand, or ask your pharmacist for guidance. It's important to keep all medications out of reach of children and pets. When it comes to disposing of this product, do not flush it down the toilet or pour it into a drain unless instructed to do so. Be sure to properly discard this solution when it is expired or no longer needed. You can consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for the best way to dispose of it. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the U.S., you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.